Welcome to the Snake Pit.
Alright, little unboxing here. This is going to be pretty cool if you are a Star Trek fan. Original series. I did get this off eBay, and it actually is still posting up there. Make sure my address doesn't show, my super secret address. Okay. Dude. Okay, I got my money's worth on this one. $11.99 free shipping. Captain Kirk in the Captain's Chair. And he put it, I didn't even know this. I didn't see this on the listing, but he put it in one of these pop protector cases. Ecotech protection. I wish I'd ordered 2 of these now. I mean, I think I'll just go in and order another one, because I wanted to open this up for display, but this one, I mean, the box is in freaking excellent shape. It's in this protector. So I normally just open these up and just, display them. But nice. Okay, the store was that is impressive. The store, Big Hit Hobby Shop. Big Hit Hobby Shop on eBay. And yeah, like I said, $11.99 and free shipping. He did have to charge me tax, which was 72 cents, so it came to $12.71, which all day long. These were like a hot item all of a sudden, and you couldn't even get it, and I was like, I'm not buying this on the secondary market for a higher price. But glad I waited and found this listing on eBay. I normally don't buy off eBay. It's been a while, I should say that. I don't normally. It's just been a while. Looks like we're going to have Khan coming up, Captain Kirk mirror, Spock mirror, Sulu, and Uhura mirror. So that's kind of what's coming up. Man, that's cool. Alright, there it is. Check the link down below if you want to get one of these while they last from this eBayer. I've had a good experience. Shipping time frame, I wasn't really paying attention. Probably a week and a half, maybe. And then it sat here for a few days until I could do this unboxing. But that ain't bad. Free shipping came mint. Dang, awesome. Boom.